Okay, good evening, everyone. I hope you've had a new good year. And how are things at your place? All how's the weather? Would anybody like to share? Nimesh sir, Ranjit sir, Saurabh sir, how is the weather?
Ma'am, too cold, ma'am.
नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो बहुत बुरी हालत हुई है. It's really very cold. Okay, so connecting with connecting the ties to the last session, I want everybody to please log into their LMS simultaneously. Everybody, please log into your LMS to class 5. I hope everybody is logged in. If you are, please write a yes in the chat. Write a yes in the chat, please, if you are connected on the LMS. Nobody's on the LMS? Okay, great. Thank you, Arvind sir, for confirming. Okay. So we will. So today's session is going to be about discussions. So last time when we had met in session 4, we had talked about the what is competency framework usage as far as planning of test items is concerned, right? This is where we had if you remember what we had discussed and what we are going to talk about today, you guys had to present your test plan today. Are you ready with your documents? I need you guys to I will have to stop the session and inform the central team if nobody is responding. Today is a teacher session day. The principals are coming in. If I don't have your presentation, then I will have to cancel the session today.
Ma'am, may I show?
Okay, very good. Thank you, Saurabh sir. We will go back to, I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Please go ahead.
Right, ma'am.
But before we go there, sir, I'll just take a minute to give my expectations for today, right? Let me just share one thing before you go with your work. So when we are on the LMS in the session 5, in the session 5, I'm letting you guys know that there is going to be a rubric based on which I shall be assessing your work today, the presentation today. So keep in mind that we are looking at a test plan that needs to be based on various criteria that were discussed. The tips and tricks were shared last time. Alignment to standards and objectives. I would like to see the activity that you have planned is there. The content coverage and complexity is there. That means it addresses a range of skills, competencies, knowledge, and complexity. It should be fair enough for all type of learners. So if there is a provision of students with special needs, or if there is for different types of learners, the activity should be able to work for all. And it would be great to see what kind of activities were there in the lesson planning, okay, based on which you are doing the test assessment. So that is the overall rubric that I will be using, for based on which I shall be working on backwards on this one. So I hope it is clear to everyone. I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and I would expect everyone to take not more than 3, 4, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, because we have a lot number of people. Thank you so much. Yes. Saurabh sir, please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
And anyone who wants to go next, please write your name in the chat. I will be calling you in the name of the order that you mentioned in the chat. Just raise your hand or write down over there that I am the next one. Yes, sir. Please go
Yes,
ahead.
ma'am. This is the planning of test items based on the competency framework.
Right.
The topic of the day is data structure, especially stack and queues. The
Okay.
learning objective is to check whether the students have learned the important facts about the data structure and can able to include all the concepts to solve
Mhm.
the real world problems,
Okay.
case scenarios.
Sir, I'm going to ask you one question before you begin. Is this the testing happening at the end of the session, at the end of the at the end, or
Yes,
somewhere in between?
ma'am, this is the I have to first of all, according to given format, I have
Mhm.
all arranged the odd items like topic of the day, learning objective, difficulty
You,
levels.
you didn't get me. This formative activity, when are you doing? So if it's a 10-day plan, when you're doing stacks and queues,
Hmm.
when are you doing this testing?
Ma'am,
This particular day?
as I cover the topic, I will ask such types of questions based on
Okay,
the recall based questions, case
okay,
based questions. मतलब
okay.
in during the teaching hours, I frequently ask such types of questions.
नहीं नहीं, देखते ना, जैसे हमने आज मान लीजिए सिखाया बच्चे को रैंसमवेयर क्या होता है, मैलवेयर क्या होता है, वायरस क्या होता है, 3 चीजें आज क्लास में ही करी, उसी के
हम्म।
ऊपर आई बेस्ड माय
हाँ
5
मैम,
क्वेश्चन,
इसी तरह से, हाँ मैम,
है
अगर
ना?
हम कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं मैम,
डे
तो
का था।
हाँ मैम इसी तरह से है। फिर उसके जो जो टॉपिक्स हमने पढ़ाए उस पे कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस कुछ हमने तैयार करेंगे मैम।
हम्म,
जैसे
ठीक है,
जैसे डिफरेंट लेवल रिकॉल बेस्ड स्किल है,
ठीक
इसमें
है,
सीधे सीधे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे, डेफिनेशन ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे मैम।
ओके।
जैसे आपका विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एप्लीकेशन फॉर द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स,
हम्म।
और विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सॉर्टिंग एल्गोरिथम कैन बी यू कैन यूज टू
Can
सॉर्ट
actually
रैंडमली।
be a hook for learning, to test the learning skills, maybe around the 8th day or 9th day, just to make a check that children remember everything that was done during the past days, right?
यस मैम, यस
So
मैम,
this
यस
is
मैम।
not the end test of,
हाँ, ये एंड टेस्ट तो
but
नहीं
it
है
could be
मैम।
somewhere in between, like on the towards the end of the topic, right?
यस मैम।
Okay, please
अच्छा,
go ahead next.
okay, next ma'am, these are the questions based on the
Mm-hmm.
recall based skills,
Mm-hmm.
like cues based questions,
Mm-hmm.
MCQ based question basically, and what kind of marks they will achieve. We can realize that they are in a unsatisfactory category, satisfactory category, yeah, they are excellent in their topics. फिर
Makes.
next है problem solving situations.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I have given any types of concept, yeah, I take any types of cases. The long
Mm-hmm.
of first is CPU शेड्यूलिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन मैंने दे दिया। अब उस पे
Mm-hmm.
मैं बच्चे से पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये किस तरह का डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है इसमें, फिर ये डेटा स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो किस प्रिंसिपल पर वर्क करता है, इसमें एलिमेंट का
Mm-hmm.
इंसर्शन, एलिमेंट का डिलीशन को क्या कहा जाता है। और
Mm-hmm.
खास तौर से उन बच्चों के लिए जो बच्चे मतलब टेक्सचुअल्स कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे, स्लो लर्नर्स के लिए, तो उनके लिए एक फ्लो चार्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन
Hmm.
जिसमें प्रोसीजर सब दिए हुए हैं, आपके पास ये हिंट्स हैं, आपको इन बॉक्सेस को इन प्रोसीजर्स में फिट करने हैं।
Perfect, perfect.
ये इसका फाइनल आंसर। और बच्चों को फाइनली हम इसका जवाब दिखाएंगे कि हाँ देखो,
Mm-hmm.
तुम लोग का कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो उसी फ्लो चार्ट में बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है, तो बच्चे खुद को एनालाइज कर पाएंगे कहाँ वो लैग कर रहे हैं, कहाँ वो ठीक है।
ठीक है, ठीक है, प्लीज गो हेड।
इसी तरह
बाकी
से मैम कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन।
वंडरफुल।
मैम तो मैम बेसिकली हमारे ये हमने दो ही स्किल पे वर्क किया है मैम। एक रिकॉल
हम्म।
बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, एक आपका
एमसीक्यू।
कॉन्सेप्ट पे, हाँ, केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं।
ठीक है। I think this, can I just see on the top, can I see the competencies, the ones that you mentioned?
ओके
बिल्कुल on the top, बिल्कुल on the
ओके
top.
ओके मैम, ओके मैम।
Okay, ठीक है, makes sense, makes sense.
रिकॉल
So,
बेस्ड।
this is a great way of representing an association between the topic that has been done over the number of days and how it measures out to mapping the competency to the learning objective. I think the cycle is 100% complete. And what I really like about this is that you've kept it simple to the fact that you're only mapping 2 or 3 competencies with a type of test items. Now, this is not a summative assessment. This is
यस
just a
मैम, दिस इज
milestone that
फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट ओनली मैम, हाँ
it's a
मैम,
formative,
जस्ट अ
right?
फॉर्मेटिव, समेटिव नहीं
Yes,
है मैम।
it's perfectly great. Saurabh sir, I would request you, अभी इसको रुकिएगा। मैं
जी
आपने बहुत अच्छा किया इसको। मैं जो आपको इसके बाद दिखाने वाली हूँ उसको अब आपने एक फॉर्मेट को भी काम करना है। While
ओके,
the others are presenting, I'll share what format is required. ठीक है?
ठीक है,
I'll just share. This is a perfect example of using it. Thank you, sir. You can stop sharing.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, now for everybody else who's still joined now, on the LMS, if you will check, let me just share my screen and show it to you. There is one more assessment that has been pasted as the task for today, right? Which is, see here. In the LMS, you will see that there is an assignment that is planned for today, which is final lesson plan plus test plan. Now, what has happened is that we have received a format from the central team, and you have to put your test plan and the lesson plan that you have made earlier that I've already given you the feedback on, to combine it together into this lesson plan. So I'm just going to open the document and show it to you. So you will see that the uploaded file, the Word file, I've already shared with you. And the latest you need to do is, if you're done with it today, I think you take time simultaneously along in the Zoom session itself, you can complete and upload. In case you want to listen to the others, you can do that. But this is the test format that is there. Wait, just a second here. So what is you're going to do is, Saurabh sir, this is specifically I'm addressing with you your work right now. So this is something that you are doing first and writing down for your class. Like for example, this is for class 11, or sorry, class 9 computer science that you are teaching. Write down the session, write down the subject. If you're using any reference book and all that, just write down the topics that you're doing across the year and how many days and periods you would require, right? Or you could do it later on also. I'm perfectly fine with that also. The format that I'm showing you right now is in this particular format you will see. So probably if there is a one particular topic like stacks and queues that you're doing right now, just write down the number of periods that you would require. The same competency conversations that we've already done, like if you're looking at skills acquired, so here you're mentioning the competency skills, right? You can write down the competency skills that you have looked at. Okay, then what are the values inculcated, what will be your classwork, homework, something like that. So this is a format that I have received from them, and here is the lesson plan weekly. Now this page, you will copy your lesson plan from the ones that has already been submitted by you, right? You can just paste in this Word file one lesson plan, the one that you have created. Okay, am I clear? Please say yes or no, because I'm sharing my screen, I am not able to.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And secondly, then the test plan, that like for example, Saurabh sir has created a lesson plan on stacks and queues. So the lesson plan goes here, right? And the test format the sir has just shown goes here. Okay. So this needs to be completed and submitted as an assignment over here. So you might be showcasing your work at the test plan today. I will give you the verbal feedback right away. But the submission that you're doing as an assignment for principals to review is this one. Okay, so this, when you see this assignment, this is where you go and upload. So you will be uploading this assignment only. Okay, the last date for submission of this assignment is going to be 17th of January. So if you have time now, you can submit it now. And if you want your, because lesson plan assessment we have already done, you've presented to everyone also. Pick up that, copy paste in this Word file, test plan that you've done, copy paste in this file, and you're done with the work. Just make sure the first 2 pages are also filled. So if you need to take time, take another week, submit it by 17th of January. Okay. If I am clear to everyone, please write down in chat. Yeah, understood. Just write down understood. Don't write yes, just write down understood. Great. So I get only 5 understood so far. Yogesh sir, you will find the format in the assessment itself, in the assignment itself.
Okay, ma'am.
When you go on your LMS, you will find this format in the assignment only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, great. So who is next to share? I'm just going to stop sharing now. Who's sharing next? So Saurabh sir, you can start writing down in the same document if you want to do it now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who is coming up next?
Ma'am, can I?
Please go ahead, Paresh sir.
Yeah. Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yeah, ma'am. As like last class fourth, you've given like
Mm-hmm.
about task test, right? Based
Mm-hmm.
on that, I have prepared for grade 8 computer network.
Okay.
The learning outcome, as this is also already we have uploaded in that also,
Right.
ma'am.
Right.
LMS
Right. This
also.
was the plan. This was the plan.
Yeah, ma'am. And this
Okay.
is the total number of periods also I mentioned two.
Mention.
Period one, like say define what
Yeah.
a network is, then about that explain the risk,
Mm-hmm.
the benefits
Mm-hmm.
of computer network,
Mm-hmm.
all that about the
Right.
learning knowledge. And here this is the test, ma'am.
Right. Great. 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 Great.
And I have put up two like what is application based
Scenario based.
questions. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Two application, one is application based case questions and one is of scenario of various networking concept for setting up
Mm-hmm.
a small network or the home office network.
Mm-hmm.
This and
ठीक.
I have put the marks also, like for how much marks they will get for whatever that content what they are doing it, that also I mentioned.
Right. Sir, in this, can you just scroll up a little bit before, just before the test item जहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है? Can you
Okay,
just
ma'am.
go there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, I want you to go to the page above.
Still above?
नहीं, यहीं पे इधर
हाँ.
इधर की टर्म्स के नीचे एमसीक्यू के ऊपर, हाँ, की टर्म्स के नीचे,
हाँ.
टेबल के नीचे क्लिक करें, डॉक्यूमेंट में क्लिक करें, की टर्म, हाँ, यहाँ पर टेबल के बाद क्लिक करें.
हाँ.
ठीक है?
हाँ, ma'am.
यहाँ
This is
पर
actually PDF, ma'am. Yeah.
ओके, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, यहाँ पे हेडिंग देना टेस्ट प्लान.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, fine.
यहाँ पे हेडिंग लेना टेस्ट प्लान. और
Okay.
जब आप अपने फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट में डालेंगे तो
हाँ.
प्लीज जरूर लिखना, कैन यू ओपन योर एलएमएस?
Yeah, 1 second, ma'am.
Sir, we can only see the PDF file
Just 1 second.
because the test plan has a certain documentation, 4 things that had to be mentioned on the top, like topic of the day, learning objective, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what is the difficulty level, what is the competency skill that you're mapping with this assignment. Okay.
Can you see, ma'am, now?
We can see your LMS, right? We can see your LMS. Just go to class 4.
Ma'am, this class 4 I could not submit, ma'am, because it is not activated.
Yes, ma'am.
This
The same thing happened with me also.
excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, for all.
Ma'am, this I have even
Yes,
written
ma'am.
email also to our head office, ma'am, but I did not get any reply so far, ma'am.
Okay, it's fine, but that's perfectly fine. So if you've not done it there, it's fine, it's perfectly fine.
I could not able to submit because it is not reflecting over here. It is just
तो एक काम करना, ये वाला जो भी प्लान आप मुझे दिखा रहे हैं,
हाँ मैम,
इसको आप 5 में ही, एक सेकेंड, 4 में मैं देखती हूँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है. लेट मी सी इट फ्रॉम माय एंड. एक सेकेंड, मेरे एंड से तो ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं.
और मैडम उसके अलावा देखो क्लास 3 वाले भी देखो मैम, स्टिल इट इज शोइंग result not declared, ma'am. See, ma'am, like last time also we have discussed about that. Class 3 also, 2 also same, ma'am.
Have you not been able to see any of the results?
No, ma'am. Even we have, I have written email also, but no response,
okay,
ma'am.
Okay, wait a second. Let me check from my end. So if I'm in class 3, okay, sir, can you see now? Just एक second. For class 3, just see, are you able to see for class 3?
No, ma'am.
Just refresh.
Result not declared.
For class 3,
Yeah.
just refresh your page.
Still showing the same thing, ma'am.
नहीं, आपका
now it has come. Now it has come.
आ गया ना? एक सेकंड रुकिए, मैंने एक फीचर को ऑफ किया है.
अच्छा.
I just want to see whether it works. Check for एक सेकंड, मैं क्लास 2 में देखती हूँ. आप जरा just go to class 2, refresh your page.
Yeah, now it is showing class 2 also.
एक सेकेंड, लेट मी जस्ट चेक फॉर क्लास 1. ओके, एक सेकेंड, क्लास 1.
No, result not declared still.
एक सेकेंड सर, एक सेकेंड, आई एम जस्ट, एक फीचर को मैं ऑफ कर रही हूँ, तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग, अगर वो आपको डिस्प्ले कर रहा है तो कैन यू रिफ्रेश? आ गया, बट इसके अंदर
आ गया
थोड़ा
मैम।
स्क्रॉल डाउन करना, आपको वो नहीं आया ना, इसमें फीडबैक नहीं आया ना, स्क्रॉल डाउन करिए,
नो मैम।
उसी के अंदर अटेम्प्ट के नीचे जहाँ पास लिखा है
3 में।
सर, जो लेफ्ट साइड पे स्टेटस के नीचे पास लिखा है ना, जहाँ परसेंटेज गिवन है,
हाँ, वहाँ नहीं, फीडबैक नहीं आया कुछ भी।
पास पास पे क्लिक कीजिएगा, आ गया ना फीडबैक?
या
ठीक है,
ओके ओके मैम।
कहीं तो आई थिंक शायद हो ही गया है.
And what about मैम class 4? It is also says.
लेट मी चेक फॉर क्लास 4. व्हाई इज इट, मैंने तो लास्ट टाइम सारे कर दिए थे. एक सेकेंड, प्लान्ड टेस्ट में
We could not submit, ma'am. It is not say, oh.
नाउ रिफ्रेश.
नहीं, अभी भी वही आ रहा है मैम।
नहीं, मेरे एंड पे तो
एक्टिवेटेड नहीं है मैम वो।
आई डोंट नो, मैंने तो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं किया है इसके ऊपर. चलो कोई बात नहीं, लेट इट बी. वी कैन, एक सेकेंड, अवेलेबिलिटी. ओ एक सेकेंड, आई फाउंड द रीजन. एक सेकेंड सर, अब चेक करके देखो, रिफ्रेश करके. आया?
Yeah, now it is coming attempt
Got it?
now.
तो
Okay,
ये जो
okay.
असेसमेंट है, ये यहाँ पे तो डाल ही दो, जो अभी आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो.
ठीक है मैम, ओके, अभी
ठीक
डाल
है,
देता हूँ। हाँ हाँ
हाँ, इसको करने के बाद यहाँ पे तो डाल ही देना.
ओके।
सॉरी सर.
And ma'am,
Sorry.
here as you said, you have to put here test plan, right? Here.
Yes, here only the test plan is going.
Yes, ma'am.
सौरभ सर, ये ऑन द 4th असाइनमेंट सॉरी क्लास 4 असाइनमेंट, प्लीज ये जो आपने अभी दिखाया था, ये अपलोड कर देना.
मैम, क्या इसको मॉडिफाइड करके भेजना, मतलब अपलोड करेगी जो एज इट इज जैसे आपको दिखाया था वैसे इसको अपलोड कर देना?
बिल्कुल एज इट इज, क्लास 4 के असाइनमेंट के लिए एज इट इज अपलोड कर दें. क्लास 5 के असेसमेंट के लिए जो असाइनमेंट कर रहे हैं आप, वो लेसन प्लान प्लस टेस्ट प्लान दोनों करके भेजना. ठीक है?
ठीक मैम.
Yeah, ma'am. Anything else, ma'am, regarding
नहीं
this,
सर,
ma'am?
आपका सही है, बस वो दो चीजें ऐड कर देना उसके अंदर.
What is test plan, right?
या टेस्ट प्लान, वो जैसे अगर आप 5 पे जाएंगे, गो टू क्लास 5, सॉरी, हाँ, गो टू क्लास 4, सॉरी, गो टू क्लास 4.
हाँ
आप एक बार अटेम्प्ट नाउ पे जाएं.
हाँ
यहाँ पे आपको असाइनमेंट डिटेल्स कहीं दिख रहे? यस, ये देखिए, फ्लो ऑफ असेसमेंट प्लान दिख रहा है आपको?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
टॉपिक ऑफ द डे, लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव, डिफिकल्टी, ये 4 चीजें बिफोर योर क्वेश्चंस ऐड कर देना.
ओके ओके मैम, या
ठीक है, आपने 5 और 6 तो डाल दिया है,
हाँ हाँ
1
हाँ
2 3 4 भी डाल देना. ठीक है,
ठीक है, ओके मैम.
so for assignment 4, class 4 assignment, this document goes as it is. For class 5 assignment, what is going? The document that I have shown you with the lesson plan plus assignment plus test plan both.
Okay, the same thing again we have to put, no ma'am?
Yes, just copy from here and add it over. There is a combined document.
Okay ma'am, right. Yeah,
चलिए, thank you so much sir.
thank you ma'am.
एक सेकेंड सर, बिफोर, हाँ, please go ahead, please stop sharing. Who is next?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, one request, ma'am. Can you share your email and mobile number in case if we are
Sir,
not able to do anything, we can straight away call you back.
I am sorry, sir. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, but that is something that I am not sharing. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, I'm sorry for that. Okay, please go ahead, everyone. Who's going next?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Please
This
go
is
ahead.
Manish.
Please go ahead, Manish sir.
Ma'am, can I share with my mobile?
Please. You're sharing the test plan?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
No, sir, it is not as yet. We are still waiting for you to, if it's a possibility, Can you use a laptop to share your screen?
Ma'am, actually, laptop is not in good condition. Actually,
So can you try once more before to share your screen?
yes, ma'am. I'm trying.
In the meantime, who will be next one to join? Priyanka ma'am, Bipin sir, who is going to go next?
May I, ma'am?
अरविंद सर आप जाना चाहते हैं? आप कर लें. मनीष सर आप पर चेक कर लें.
सॉरी मैडम, एक्चुअली हमारा सीबीएस का वर्कशॉप चल रहा है, मोबाइल में ले रहा हूँ मैडम, लैपटॉप में नहीं.
तो अभी कैसे शेयर करेंगे स्क्रीन?
नहीं, मोबाइल में नहीं हो रहा है मैडम, सॉरी, वो वर्कशॉप चल रहा है अभी सीबीएसई का.
सर पर आज तो प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, आप या तो मेरे को अपना डॉक्यूमेंट मेल कर दें.
हाँ, मेल कर दो मैडम, मेल कर दो.
आप यहाँ पर एक काम कीजिए, ये आप अपना एलएमएस खोल पा रहे हैं?
एलएमएस खोल के भी ले रहा हूँ मैडम.
एलएमएस आप अपलोड कर दीजिए, मैं एलएमएस से स्क्रीन शेयर कर दूंगी आपका.
मैडम अभी तो मैं वर्कशॉप में हूँ, मैं बाद में कर दूंगा मैडम, होगा?
सर बात का नहीं है, इट हैज टू बी डन राइट नाउ, somehow it has to come here. अब आप कैसे करेंगे? I am not able to understand. This was the day, either you should have uploaded on the LMS.
सॉरी मैडम, वो कितना लेट होगा मुझे पता नहीं था, वो चल रहा अभी भी सीबीएसई का जो वर्कशॉप हो रहा है.
Your choice, sir. I am here to assess you. Your call.
पहले से पता होगा यार.
Okay. Anybody else who wants to start sharing the screen?
Yeah, ma'am. May I?
Arvind sir, please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am.
Please. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, why this mobile screen is coming? Okay.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Some
Yes,
other.
sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Arvind sir.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Ma'am,
Haan ji,
someone is sharing. That's why it's not
Ma'am.
allowing me to share.
I am sharing. Manish Gupta, ma'am.
अच्छा मनीष सर शेयर कर रहे हैं. ओके.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ये जरा मनीष सर शेयर कर रहे हैं. रुकिए.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, please.
It has been shared, ma'am, now.
Okay.
Ma'am, this
So-
is my assessment plan. This is
Okay.
for class 9th, and the topic is computer networking.
Okay.
And the difficulty level that I have kept is moderate, and duration I
Okay.
have kept that 30 minutes.
Okay. So
This is
mapped?
yes, ma'am.
Which competency is getting mapped?
Ma'am, this is for the topic computer networking. That
I'm not talking
this
about
is
the topic, Manish sir. I'm asking when you are giving an assessment for a particular topic, for a topic
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you already taught in the class using a lesson plan that you had
Yes.
shared, which competency skill are you doing with this assessment? Which is the competency skill you're mapping? Is it recall? Is it problem solving? Is it logical and analyzing? Logical concept clearing? Teamwork?
Ma'am.
What is it you're doing with this?
So that I am trying to assess the student that I have taught, whether they are able to understand and how much they have understand. And this
How
is
much
just
they
a problem
remember.
solving. Yes,
How
ma'am.
they remember. See, it's just not about picking up a topic and making an assessment out of it. Manish sir,
Okay.
we also have to remember कि इससे हम बच्चे के अंदर स्किल क्या डेवलप कर रहे हैं. ठीक
Okay,
है.
okay.
अगर आप सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन देते हैं तो हम उसको कहते हैं कि तुम ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करो. गॉट इट? अगर हम
इसमें मैम मैंने ये ट्राई किया है कि बच्चों ने जो मैंने पढ़ाया, बच्चों ने जो कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के हार्डवेयर हैं, कंपोनेंट से क्या उनको आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ ना. तो स्किल हो गया रिकॉल.
Yes, ma'am.
They are able to remember what they and answer the questions based on what you've already taught them. ठीक है.
Yes,
So this
yes,
is
yes.
formative activity for that. So
Okay,
over here थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे सर. नेक्स्ट पे मैं नीचे तक असेसमेंट देखना चाह रही थी. हाँ.
Yes.
क्वेश्चंस देखना चाह रही थी मैं. हाँ ठीक है. अब आपने इसमें कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन जैसे लिखे ना नीचे, ये आर
Yes.
क्वांटिटी दिस, तो यहाँ पे
हाँ.
आपका क्या, यहाँ पे आपका आ गया. आपने होमवर्क भी दे दिया, बट सर वही
Yes,
बात
ma'am.
इसमें क्या मिस है आप खुद बताएं. व्हाट इज इट दैट यू आर मिसिंग ओवर हियर? बताएं क्या मिस कर रहे हैं आप इसमें? जब आप पेपर चेकिंग पे जाते हैं सर,
Yes, ma'am.
when you go for paper checking, what do you get? Yes. What is missing? Rubric.
Marks
Not
I
the
have
answer. Not the
marks I
answer.
have mentioned here carries 1 marks each question.
ठीक है, लेकिन 1 mark each का मतलब क्या है? 1 mark for correctness.
Yes, ma'am.
0 for incorrect. ये clarity
Okay.
rubric में एक
Rubrics I should have given.
right. तो आपको ये heading लिखनी है rubric, जिन questions पे अभी जैसे आपने assessment red में लिखा हुआ है ना,
Yes, ma'am.
इसके आगे ब्रैकेट में लिख दीजिए recall competency. ठीक है?
Okay.
और आप नीचे जाएं जहां पे आपने वो असेसमेंट वाले क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं, दूसरे वो कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन लिखा है।
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
ये जो क्वेश्चन है आपका, जैसे ये आपके क्वेश्चंस है ना, यहाँ पे आरव वांट्स टू डू दिस इज दिस, व्हिच शुड ही चूज, तो ये क्या है? ये है एनालिसिस ऑफ द लॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पर आप क्या देख रहे हैं? एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग, ओके, लॉजिकल
Yes.
रीजन। आपने कहा ना चिराग वांट्स टू सेट अप a server, so you have to logically think what maps with this. Do you get it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these questions are actually enhancing the logical skills of the
Students.
it is also enhancing the problem solving skill of the student.
Yes,
Got it?
right.
So this is what I was asking you, that when you are mentioning in your test plan, you also should know that doing this question, what is the child gaining? Okay,
Right.
that is why I said on the top, under the learning objective and difficulty level, please mention which competency skill you are mapping in this assignment. Got it?
Right. Okay. Right, ma'am.
Did you understand, sir? That is important. Okay, so just mention it over there, and in the end where you've written homework, before homework, after homework, please mention the rubric also.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can submit this as assignment for class 4.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, just 2-3 statements you have to add in this document and then upload it. What will be
Oh.
your assignment for class 5?
That I have seen.
Yeah, the
Ma'am,
first-
actually, this is the part of our teacher's diary also.
Yes.
We are filling in the school. That
yes.
is.
That
So
is
we have.
वही तो
that-
वही तो उन्होंने चेक करना है ना. The principals have to see that given a what have you learned from this workshop. Like if you're given a subject computer science, how do you break it up across the year? Things on page number 2. Then a topic. How would you further break it up and use these technical terminologies that you're learning over here? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है sir. So that is a great thing. Just 2-3 things have to be added, and then I think it should be done. Okay.
Okay, fine. I will add it, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Fine.
Okay, Arvind sir, you are
Yeah,
up next.
sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Next to Arvind sir, please make sure that you are there.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm sharing.
Nee, after Arvind sir, who is going to be there? Please mention in the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will share, ma'am.
ठीक है, ma'am.
Ma'am, good evening. Uttam Barik this side.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Me and
Yes,
Arvind sir, we have met on that day in the same style.
Sorry.
We
Uttam
were
sir,
both in the same group, ma'am, that day. When you assigned the room,
So
na?
I also met the same way, but in different topic.
ठीक है sir. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine.
Okay.
It's perfectly fine. बस इसके बाद फिर आप दिखा देना. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. I submitted. I'm in mobile phone now. So can you share that?
After Arvind sir, I'll open your assignment. No worries on that.
It's visible, ma'am.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah, please. So that topic was, ma'am, Python variable, and the same was actually we shared on other day.
Mm-hmm.
Objective of this assessment to understand the concept of the Python variable.
Mm-hmm.
This is those competency skills that will
Mm-hmm.
actually test. Difficulty
Mhm.
level is a moderate. And
Perfect.
this is the assessment. First one we taken the MCQ.
Mm-hmm.
These are those questions, and for each correct answer we have 1 mark. Total
Mhm.
5 marks for MCQs.
Is it mentioned somewhere?
Yeah, and just below here I mentioned, ma'am.
Okay, great. Oh, you mentioned it in the heading rubric. Great.
Yeah.
So you have a
And
case.
next is case study based question, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very.
Questions and even those rubric also I mentioned.
Arvind sir, bang on. The correct way, the correct thing I wanted to see is this one.
Okay,
Not
thank
not
you, ma'am.
confusing, completely easy to figure it out. Perfectly
No,
great sir. इसको
thank you,
तो
ma'am.
अपलोड कर दो क्लास 4 के असाइनमेंट पे as it
Sure,
is.
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Class 5 के assignment में I've already told you what you need to do.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
And after this, ma'am, activity questions also I included.
Great, great. You've given the challenges.
Yeah, debugging challenge also. And
ठीक है.
for these and or at last overall assessment I mentioned like that theoretical understanding, that was the MCQ one, practical
Right,
application,
right,
that is
right.
case study. Assessment
एक सेकंड नहीं रुकना, एक सेकंड नहीं रुकना.
Yes.
Manish sir, Manish sir, Manish sir, are you here? I think sir session में नहीं है. Okay, thank you sir. Please upload it. This is great.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Please sir, आपको इसको assignment 4 में डाल दो और assignment
ma'am.
5 की दोनों को ऐड करके वहां डाल दो. ठीक है
Sure, ma'am.
क्लास? ठीक है?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
sir. Who is
May I
coming?
stop now?
Yes, ma'am. Uttam Barik, ma'am.
I think किसी और ने किन्होंने बोला था मेरे
Ma'am, ma'am, I want to share, ma'am. Priyanka here.
उत्तम सर 2 मिनट दे दोगे? Can I let
Yes, ma'am. I uploaded in the
I
LMS.
know. In the
Till
meantime,
that time, you
the
can
LMS let Priyanka share, please.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, please help me. You have to please present it from the LMS. I have uploaded it in class 2.
Class 2?
Ma'am, in class 4 link was not working, so I have uploaded my assignment in class 2.
अरे
Class 2 link.
ओवरराइड कर देगा पिछले वाले को. मैम क्या कर दिया? 2 वाले को ओवरराइड कर देगा वो. अरे क्या करते हो आप लोग? रुको एक सेकंड प्रियंका. Just hold on.
Ma'am, I have uploaded in class 4.
Great. Let me just see. Priyanka, I actually cannot find your this thing. Can you upload it in class 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Please upload it in class 4. In the meantime, I'm just going to look for उत्तम सर आपका भी नहीं दिख रहा. एक सेकंड देना. सर कब अपलोड किया आपने? अभी?
Recently, ma'am, class 4. Yes.
अभी किया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, I think 5:30 वाले का मिल गया. Let me just share my screen. Can you see my screen? Guys, can you see my screen?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it came.
Okay. So this is the one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. The topic of the day is types of network topology and the object of assessment that I have mentioned here to understand the concept of network topology and to identify and describe common types of network topologies. Then the competency skill that this assessment will be on recall, critical thinking, and real world problems.
Okay.
The level will be medium, and these are the assessment questions. After that, the case study questions also given with the marking scheme like the rubrics. Identification of the topology that will hold 1 mark. Then advantages of topology and disadvantage.
Sir, वैसे तो ठीक है. This is fine. But I would want you to, for especially for this question, design your problem school network. प्लीज इसका ना थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी, और आप ना उसमें मार्किंग स्कीम मत यूज करो. इसमें लिखो रूब्रिक. ठीक है? जो अब इसके लिए तो ठीक है जो आपने सबमिट कर दिया 4 के लिए. जो आपने अब 5 के लिए सबमिट करना है ना, उसमें मार्किंग स्कीम ना लिख के ना उसको रूब्रिक लिख देना. ठीक है?
And it will be, ma'am, by adding the lesson plan also.
Yes. The assignment for class 5 is lesson plan plus test plan both.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? बट इसके अंदर आप ना इसका डिटेल नहीं लिखा आपने. ये वाली एक्टिविटी है.
Rubrics like for what?
Like how you like 1 mark for this, 2 marks for 3 marks for this. जैसे मैंने भी आपको एक रूब्रिक दिखाया था ना अपना वाला.
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे. ठीक है ना, use something like that in a table form or something, but please mention over here when you're doing it for the assignment for class 5.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely.
ठीक है, got it?
Thank you,
Okay. Priyanka, should I look for your document?
Ma'am, please give me 5 minutes more. I'm uploading in LMS.
Let me try and find if I can. Let me see if I can find yours once again. See, I cannot find it. Voida, it has over. I actually cannot go to an individual assignment and find out.
Okay, ma'am.
So I already have जो आपका पुराना वाला हो चुका हुआ है ना, that was the lesson, and I have these from yours. तो ये पुराने वाले हैं, it is not there.
Ma'am, I'm uploading, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. If you're uploading in right now, otherwise I move to the next one. आप upload कर लो, I'll come back to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who is next?
Ma'am, may I say?
Please go ahead. Yes, Basant sir.
This one. Knowledge acquisition, analysis, comparison, practical applications, and problem solving. These are the competencies, sir, ma'am.
Okay.
Difficulty level intermediate. Questions,
can
ma'am,
you,
multiple choice नहीं दिया हुआ है. ऐसे
increase
मतलब
the,
कि
sir, can you increase, zoom in a little bit? It's too small. Just scroll up, top. Just go to the top. Okay, topic of the day is understanding network topology. Okay. Difficulty level is intermediate. Okay. Sir, competency skill लिखना भूल गए कि लिखिए, मैंने नहीं देखी.
मैम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग है ना, प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन एनालिसिस एंड
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. Scroll down. So you're giving them some questions. Okay, you're giving them visual understanding based questions. Activity, give them a particular scenario. Sir,
एंड दे हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑन ब्लैकबोर्ड मैम और व्हाइट बोर्ड जो भी है.
नहीं ठीक है, आपका पहला सेट ऑफ जो है वो तो ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. स्क्रॉल डाउन कीजिए, नीचे जाइए सर, नीचे जाइए, ऊपर नहीं, नीचे जाइए. एक्टिविटी तक ये सर.
एक्टिविटी के बाद
जाइए.
रूब्रिक है मैम, नॉलेज एक्विजिशन का एनालिसिस, कंपैरिजन और प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग.
Sir, can I genuinely ask you a question, Basant sir? Is it ChatGPT?
Yes, ma'am. Earlier
Sir,
I told you, ma'am.
नहीं, आप यूज कर सकते हैं ChatGPT, but you also have to remember that you see, if you're using something for reference, it is okay to use it, but you also must, circumcise it to your class. We do not have 20 points and 30 points. You need to rephrase it for how you would want to do it. Okay. So, Basant sir, just picking up anything from that doesn't work. Here, just giving 10 questions on where is your activity? I need to see that plan. You just can't write over there, create an activity, give them visual based questions. No, I want those visual based questions. I want that scenario activity.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
you getting it?
Okay, ma'am.
You've seen some of the presentations right now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have time, please do it and submit it today. Okay, if you can do it today, it would be great, because the feedback has to go back to the central team. What is happening here, right? आप इसी में थोड़ा changes कर लीजिए. That should be helpful to you. Reduce the marks for your rubric. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try and do that. Otherwise, it's not a bad plan. It's a good plan. But I need you to make sure कि जो आप rubric दे रहे हैं, वो एक्चुअली में आप अपनी क्लास में यूज करें. That is important.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Basant sir, this will be submitted for which class assignment? 4.
Yes, ma'am.
And for
I
class
submitted, ma'am.
5? Hanji sir?
Submitted, ma'am. Submitted, ma'am. Already.
So class assignment 5 में this plus your lesson plan both go. Okay?
Okay, okay.
In the same document format that I've uploaded for class 5 assignment. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है sir, thank you. Okay. Priyanka, are you ready?
No, ma'am, I am unable to upload it.
फिर प्रियंका कैसे करेंगे? Okay. And who is next then?
Tapan sir, we have made the lesson plan that day. Can you share for me? I'll present. Tapan sir, are you there in the meeting?
Tapan sir is in the meeting. Nimesh sir, Madhvi ma'am, Devender sir. Guys, you will have to share your plans. Who is sharing? There are principals in the meeting. What is happening, guys? Yes, sir. Please, Devender sir, go ahead. Manju ma'am. Manju ma'am. एक सेकेंड सर, सिर्फ एक सेकेंड. Manju ma'am, if I'm not getting a response from anybody, I'm going to request you to kindly exit the meeting. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hanji.
Yes,
Manju ma'am.
I'm sharing. Yes, ma'am, I'm sharing.
Wait, I think sir has already shared. Samad was sharing. Devender sir, आप share कर रहे थे?
Ma'am, I was trying, but somebody else has shared already. So now I can share, ma'am.
आप कर दीजिए. Manju ma'am, you are next after Devender sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, am I visible, ma'am?
Please, sir, you are visible. Go ahead.
Ma'am, my topic is cyber safety, grade 9. And objective, as I mentioned, understanding the basic cyber security concepts and their ability to identify and respond to the potential threats.
Okay.
Competency here is problem solving, critical thinking, and attain to detail and analytical skills, ma'am.
Okay. So
Test level is moderate. Level of test is moderate, ma'am.
Okay.
First, some MCQ questions. Then one scenario based.
Okay.
Then for problem solving, practical applications.
Right.
Critical thinking, ma'am, where they need to justify.
Right.
And one case study question, ma'am. And at the end, the rubrics which are mentioned below for MCQ and other questions.
Devender sir, there is a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Problem is that you have actually combined the rubric for all together.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes,
the individual. So there are 5 assignments, right?
Ma'am, actually, bottom I have mentioned for MCQs, separate scenario based, separate case studies, separate, ma'am.
But what is the breakup for that 4 points? What is the breakup for 3 points, for 2 points? You get it? When we are assessing a assessment,
yes,
right? We make a conscious choice that the child is getting a 1, 1.5 or 2 based on what is the reason for it, right? The reasons that breakup is missing here. You get it? So what you've done is basically collectively, when you write down 3 points, why will the child get 1 or 2 or 3? That is missing.
Yes.
Right. So for example, if you're saying providing appropriate actions for scenario and case study, let's say you're only doing it for scenario analysis, right?
Yes,
over there, when will you award the child a 1 point? When will you appoint the child? When will you award the child with 2 points? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that portion I think is missing. So what I will recommend to you in this plan is just scroll up, sir. Section 2. Go to section 2.
Yes,
here, when you are on the identify and solve competency, under this itself, write down rubric and give the breakup.
Yes,
section 3, give the rubric and the breakup. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you're not
Yes,
going to do
ma'am.
all of these in one day, na? You're going to do it on different
Yes,
days.
ma'am. Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
So that is
Yes,
why on
ma'am.
that particular day, what you're going to be using, that is important to understand. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So just do that change and then upload this one for day 4 assignment. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And pick up the same one for your lesson plan and this test plan together for assignment for class 5. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Manju ma'am, you are up next.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सचिन सर,
यस मैम।
आप इसके बाद शेयर करेंगे?
या मैम, श्योर मैम।
ठीक है। निमेश सर, प्लीज बी रेडी. You will be next after sir. Arindam sir, you also please be ready. हाँ जी.
I'm visible, ma'am.
नहीं मंजू मैम, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ.
I have submitted, ma'am.
On the, right now?
No, ma'am. Before date.
Wait, let me check at my end.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं ma'am, I don't have. Wait a second. No, this is for.
I was submitted in December, ma'am.
Wait a second, ma'am. Let me show it to you. Here.
MS Word में फाइल है मेरी.
एक second. Which assignment you're talking about? This one? Manju ma'am, which one are you talking about?
Array.
Okay, hold on. ये तो रूब्रिक है ना मैम?
नो मैम.
और भी एक दिया आपने कोई असाइनमेंट. लेट मी सी.
लेसन प्लान जो टेस्ट प्लान है मैम, इस एरे पर है.
मैम मेरे को अगर हो तो मेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है दिखाने में? नहीं मैम, it is the same rubric for that only.
Okay ma'am, just wait. I'm trying.
It is not submitted, ma'am. ठीक है?
Okay ma'am. I'm trying, ma'am.
Please. In that scenario, who did I just ask to share?
Yeah, may I share, ma'am?
Please, sir, go ahead. जी sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I have taken the topic society law and ethics in cybersecurity. Assessment moderate. Now types of questions and activity what I have taken in this. First of all, I asked the question, what is digital footprint? Then after I have taken the examples of digital footprint, then asking the question, what are the examples of digital footprint? Student, they will share this examples on the basis of experience-based learning.
Right.
And then after description, this one activity also I have included in this. Some questions, more questions are also included in this. Netiquette I have asked, and then after 10 rules for internet etiquette. That some rules I have asked in this. Then after this, I have mentioned all those rules also. Then after description, I have asked one question to student, what is social media etiquette? They have. And then I have just taken one activity what is do's and don't do's, and I have just put one sentence, and after they have to complete and what their thoughts about the social media etiquettes. So they will fill this activity like do's and don't do's. This is I have taken this activity.
Right.
So here this activity will take place. Points I have mentioned here, in which I have mentioned do's and don't do's. So they will fill by their own what they will think about this. About some few points I have mentioned, and some they will write about by their own also. Then after I have mentioned some few points about that questions also about data protection. And this is all about whole thing I have taken. So the questions then I have asking a question about the uses of electronic gadgets about the garbage. So this question I have asked, and I have correlated with the question with the real based garbage also.
Very nice.
So,
very nice.
So this is all about this.
That's great. However, I would just request you just go on the top.
Top, okay.
Just where the topic name is written.
Okay.
Over here, where you've written assessment moderate, just press and enter.
Yeah, enter.
Now, just write down learning objective. Press another enter. Write competency skills. And do one more. Press and enter. Write down pedagogy. Pedagogy. PEDAGO. हाँ, this one. सर मैं बताती हूँ PEDAGOGY.
अच्छा, pedagogy.
PEDAGOGY. Okay. Now, sir, all you need to do is your activity is perfectly fine, right? The learning objective over here would be जो भी आपने पूरा एक दिन का ये एक्टिविटी किया है ना, इसको समझ एक लाइन में आप यहाँ मेंशन करेंगे. क्योंकि see your assessment is very different from the others. You are more or less like, you know, while you are discussing, while the discussion is happening, you are doing the small intermediate formative assessments also, right? So you will have to give more of a classroom technique like recall, and you will also have to give discussion method. You can write down group discussion. Okay, so please mention these skills, these three things in this plan, and upload it for class assignment 4. Okay.
Okay.
And then add this to the lesson plan, the one that you already have. Lesson plan plus this, that will be your assignment for class 5.
Okay.
ठीक है sir?
Okay.
ठीक है. Just one thing over here, I would like you to mention. Press and enter. Just I want you to mention rubric also over here. Like for example, do not describe the rubric, because this is not an activity where you're actually asking them to do something on which you would be able to assess them. However, a rubric is very important to understand. So probably you can say correctness 1 mark.
Okay.
Okay, where you are asking them the questions to fill in the blanks, right? So you can check for correctness. Rubrics के आगे लिख दो check for correctness. ठीक है?
Okay.
और ब्रैकेट में लिख दो 1 mark each. तो जहां पर भी आप उनसे बात करेंगे फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट के लिए, do you get it? It is always important that you mention how do you plan to make sure that the target has been achieved.
Actually, I have mentioned here also where I have taken do's and don'ts.
I agree. But yours is, you mentioned here now, but on the top also it works.
Okay.
I think this is perfectly fine. Just fill in the things that I have told you 3 things to do.
Okay. I will say.
Just just write down submit this one for class 4 assignment.
Yeah.
Add to your lesson plan, submit that document for
5.
class 5 assignment. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Brilliant. I actually liked your plan a lot. It's great. Okay, next, please. Who is going
Yes,
to do it?
ma'am.
Please
Yes,
go
ma'am. I'm
ahead.
trying.
Please go ahead. Arindam sir, are you here? Arindam sir?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. My screen is visible.
हाँ, आप स्क्रीन नहीं अभी नहीं हुआ विजिबल मैम.
What's the problem?
आपने क्लास 4 में असेसमेंट डाल दिए?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी डाला है मैम?
No, ma'am.
मैम मैं आपको यही कह रही हूँ, आप क्लास 4 में असेसमेंट डाल दीजिए, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर दूंगी.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait, ma'am. Trying.
हाँ कुछ आया स्क्रीन पे, कुछ आया.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ कुछ तो आया, एक सेकेंड. प्लीज गो अहेड.
Yes, ma'am. Topic is array.
जी.
And competency skill है recall, problem solving, practical application. Level है medium, assessment, multiple choice questions है. And then programming based questions है ma'am.
Okay.
Problem solving है. How can declare 1D array? How can initialize 1D array? Syntax and example of 1D array. And activity में program.
ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल ठीक है.
और rubric है मैम. Definition of subscript variable, definition of array.
सिर्फ टॉप पे चले जाए, मैंने आपका टॉप का मिस कर दिया था.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ऑब्जेक्टिव, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, कॉम्पिटेंसी. ठीक है मैम, ये आप अभी प्लीज उसको सबमिट कर दो.
Yeah, sure, ma'am, sure.
और इसी के साथ आप अपना ना जो आपने एक रूब्रिक बनाया था, प्लस आपका वो
डेटा स्ट्रक्चर लेसन
प्लान है ना.
यस मैम.
वो प्लीज कंबाइन करके आप उसमें डाल देना
आज की क्लास में.
हाँ, वो क्लास 5 के लिए डाल देना. ये वाला जो है ये क्लास 4 में जाएगा.
ओके मैम. ओके,
ठीक है. थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, थैंक यू.
हु इज नेक्स्ट?
मे आई मैम?
प्लीज गो अहेड सर. Arindam sir, I am asking you again to please unmute. Devendra Kumar Singh, sir. Dhirendra Mishra, sir.
Ma'am, good evening.
हाँ जी सर, आप शेयर करेंगे प्लान?
I'm sorry, I have joined late because in my school there was a training of CBSE. Just recently I have joined, so I'm extremely sorry for late.
सर मैं अब क्या कहूँ, अब आपने सबमिट भी नहीं करा. आप अगर सबमिट कर देते मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर देती.
No ma'am, actually I have submitted right now. Actually I'm trying.
Okay, ठीक है. Dhirendra sir, I'll just check out. Who is sharing the screen? Guys, I just have 45 minutes more. जिसका नहीं होगा 7 PM के बाद नहीं शेयर करूंगी प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tapal sir is sharing screen and I am going to present. We have made the lesson plan together in the last meeting.
Okay.
Tapal sir, please share the screen. Yes, ma'am.
Dhirendra sir, I'll just check on the LMS.
Okay ma'am. Just I have submitted before 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the test paper that I have made for the topic networking topologies.
Can you just hold on for 1 minute? Just hold on for 1
Yes,
minute.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I do not see a submission. Oh, I just wait a second.
Topic is ma'am.
एक second, sir. I think I've just got something. Hold on. ये आपने 5 के लिए सबमिट किया है, 4 के लिए सबमिट किया है?
4 के लिए मैम, जो लास्ट मीटिंग था.
सॉरी सर, आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही. कैन यू बी लिटिल लाउडर?
जो लास्ट मीटिंग था उसका जो बनाना था मैम असेसमेंट प्लान
वो आज में सबमिट कर दिया सर आपने।
आई एम सॉरी।
अच्छा मैं इसके बाद आपका शेयर करती हूँ स्क्रीन। ओके प्रियंका प्लीज गो अहेड।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my lesson plan I have made on network topologies for class 9th. And the learning objective is to enhance the understanding about the topic.
मैम ये तो लेसन प्लान है। अच्छा ओ नो नो सॉरी माय बैड, मेरा दिमाग गोल घूम गया। सॉरी 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 आई जस्ट गॉट इट। प्लीज गो अहेड प्रियंका।
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, skills developed will be recall and problem solving. First question is, ma'am, I have shown the diagram and children are going to identify and they are going to name the topology.
Okay.
So this is a 3-mark question, 1 mark for each. And ma'am, second is the choose the correct option. Multiple choice questions are there, ma'am. And the third one,
Scroll down, please scroll down, Tapan sir. Okay.
yes, ma'am. And one case study based question I have also added, ma'am.
Priyanka, isme you're missing the rubric. How do you assess?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll make the necessary changes and upload it, ma'am, on the LMS.
Okay, please do the
I have
needful.
understood, ma'am. Whatever you have explained, I will add.
Yeah, please do that. आज ही कर दियो यार please. Okay?
Ma'am, आज ही okay, ma'am.
At least ये वाला 4 वाला सबमिट कर दो, 5 वाले में तो भी है आपके पास टाइम।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhirendra sir, I am going to share the screen now.
Now ma'am I have submitted for the fourth class 4.
Okay, 4 में सबमिट कर दिया आपने?
Yes, I have submitted now.
एक मिनट, लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। मैंने तो जो अभी 5 वाला ही खोला हुआ है। कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, would you like to share please?
Yeah ma'am. Just wait.
Sir, can you be a little louder? Your voice is very low.
Actually ma'am there is a network problem.
अब आ गई आवाज, अब आ गई।
Yes ma'am. So my topic is control statement for the class 9th. Learning objective is student will be able to define and explain the concept of control statement.
Is it language specific?
Yeah ma'am, it is in Python actually. If
Okay.
else like that, if else, nested if, and
Okay.
there is a looping statements also. So that is my plan, assessment plan, how I will assess the students.
Okay.
So they will be able to explain the importance of control statement and its application in problem solving. And student will be able to explain the role of the control statement in the development of computer algorithm. And after that I have taken some points, analysis and comparison, practical applications and problem solving skills.
Sir, I'll just like to stop you here. Again, is this from ChatGPT?
No ma'am, I am it.
If you've made this, sir, then I would recommend please try and refrain from, because you can't have a 70 mark ka rubric, na?
Actually ma'am, we have different segments here. I have taken from the whatever you PDF sent. I have taken that from the.
ठीक है sir, that's fine. It's okay. Please go ahead.
So for the analysis and comparison, I have divided 20 points.
Okay.
0 to 6 point for the limited ability to analyze and compare control statements.
G.
And then after that 7 to 13 points, adequate ability of the students to analyze the topic whatever I have given. And they have some practical applications for the in the lab that they have performed in the lab, and some problem is solving. And then difficult level is moderate.
Right.
And on the basis of I have developed some questions like what do you mean by control statement, and at last later some programs I have given to them
Okay.
to develop the analysis and problem solving
ठीक है
capability.
sir,
and-
makes sense,
Yeah.
makes sense, makes sense.
Yeah,
ठीक है sir, this is fine. You've submitted this one in session 4,
yeah, ma'am. I have submitted.
and please add this to the document in session 5.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, there will be the lesson plan and the test plan together. Okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And once
Just pick
again,
up
I'm
the
sorry.
template. Just pick up the template that is there. That should be good enough. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Once
thank you
again,
sir.
Once again, I'm
No, no, it's
sorry
perfectly
for the
fine.
late come.
Dhirendra sir, it's perfectly fine. As long as you're doing it, it's great.
Yeah, there was a CBSE training actually.
I understand,
my
sir.
school.
We also, everybody's at this point of time got something or the other. Practical exam, pre-board exam, end of year completion syllabus, report cards. I understand, but then we just have to be a little bit more,
Yeah.
continuous with this one. Thank you so much, sir, for adding up stuff here.
Okay,
Who shall be the next one?
Hello.
Hanji.
My sound is audible?
Yes, Tapan sir, you are audible. आप share करेंगे?
Actually, my laptop's sound is having some problem. So I will share the screen from laptop and I will say from my mobile.
Okay, बिल्कुल sir, बिल्कुल ठीक है. Please go ahead.
Okay, I'm just sharing the screen.
Please. This is a last reminder to Arindam sir. Harmia sir. Then Nimesh sir.
Yes,
Ranjit sir. Sunil Sharma sir. Yogesh sir. I am going to be here only till 7. Please tell me in the chat that you would like to present next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, ma'am. I have an urgent work, ma'am. Can I leave the class? I have already presented.
That's perfectly fine, Priyanka. You can go, but please make sure that you are submitting the class 5 assignment also.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Feedback and that I'll complete.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it is.
Ma'am, I am an ICC school teacher.
Okay.
The lesson plan topic is the about the conditional statement of class 9th. Learning of it is that to enhance the understanding about the topic. Means after completion of the topic, I will just go through a small test that what they learn.
Okay.
So difficult level is the moderate, skill level, recall and problem solving. Here I am putting some output question. Then some MCQ type, some MCQ questions are there that based on the theory part of the topic. Then one problem is that case study, and here I putting the rubrics as each correct answer is awarded with 1 mark.
G.
And the wrong answer is with 0.
ठीक है sir.
And this is a case study of a simple small program is there.
Right.
They will solve this program.
Right.
And after solving this program, as in the ICSE, each program carries 15 marks.
Right.
I divided 15 marks in this way. Declaration of variable 2 mark.
Okay.
Find the discount for laptop. As here the question is asking about discount for laptop and discount for PC. So 4 marks. Then here is asking also how find the net amount. So for the net amount is the 3 marks. And in the variable declaration 2 marks. All total 15 marks.
ठीक है sir. Makes a lot of sense. Clarity है इसके अंदर. And I think it's quite clear enough that it should be done. ठीक है. Thank you, sir.
इसको मैंने लेसन 4 में अपडेट कर दिया है. अभी किया मैं.
हाँ, ठीक है. और इसको लेसन 5 में भी ऐड कर देना.
मैम लेसन 5 में कैसे करना थोड़ा गाइड करते हैं कि थोड़ा कि उस टाइम में थोड़ा ऑडियो
डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने आपको वर्ड फाइल दिखाया था ना.
जी
उसमें लेसन प्लान और ये वाला दोनों मिला के डलेगा. ठीक है. और उसके अंदर फर्स्ट 2 पेजेस में आपको अपना करिकुलम ब्रेकअप जो भी उन्होंने मांगा है आपकी टीचर्स डायरी के हिसाब से वो डाल दीजिएगा.
अच्छा, उसको डालना है और इसको भी डालना है.
ये सिर्फ 4 में डलेगा.
तो ये 4 में डाल दिया.
ये हो गया. अब ये सारा कंटेंट और इससे पहले जो आपने लेसन प्लान प्रेजेंटेशन किया था वो वाला कंटेंट दोनों को क्लास 5 के असाइनमेंट में डालेंगे इकट्ठे उस पर्टिकुलर टेम्पलेट में।
अच्छा, ये सारा ऐड हो जाएगा, एक कंबाइन हो जाएगा, एक फाइल हो जाएगा।
जी 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 ठीक
और
है,
उसको लेसन फाइल में डाल देंगे।
हाँ जी हाँ जी, क्लास 5 के असाइनमेंट में उसको डाल देंगे। ठीक है सर।
अच्छा मैम, मेरा ये खत्म हो गया, थोड़ा मैं जा सकता हूँ?
सर देख लीजिए।
नहीं, अगर हो गया थोड़ा बेटी को थोड़ा मेडिसिन लेके आ जाना, और कुछ नहीं।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
हाँ, नहीं मैं हूँ, 10 मिनट के बाद जाऊंगा।
ठीक है, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे सर, प्लीज गो हेड।
थैंक यू मैम।
हाँ, हु इज डूइंग नेक्स्ट?
May I, ma'am?
हाँ जी प्लीज दिनेश सर गो हेड। जस्ट बिफोर यू गो, अंशु सर, आर यू हियर? अंशु सर।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग सर, आपका रह गया।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm not feeling well. I'm hospitalized, ma'am. That's why, ma'am, just I'm simply attending and just watching, ma'am. So I'm not
So,
feeling
sir,
well, actually. Yes, ma'am.
I really hope so you get better, but
Yes, ma'am.
आपका सबमिशन भी नहीं हुआ और आपने प्रेजेंट भी नहीं किया सर।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next class I will submit everything, ma'am.
असाइनमेंट 4 और असाइनमेंट 5 आपको क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am. Already I gone through the website, ma'am.
ओके
Yes.
ठीक है सर, आप प्लीज गेट वेल सून।
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
ओके अरिंदम सर, आप बात ही नहीं कर रहे, कुछ इशू है तो चैट में लिखिए प्लीज। ओके मैं किससे बात कर रही थी?
Yes, ma'am.
या
Nimesh,
प्लीज
ma'am.
दिनेश सर गो हेड।
Actually, ma'am, last time our school was having that annual fest, so I could not attend that class, but then also I have made. So please.
Thank you so much for following up the presentation and doing the work.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen, ma'am?
So far not. Sir, we can't see your screen. Nimesh sir? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So क्या हो गया? निमेश सर कहाँ गए?
और शायद डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया नेटवर्क शायद।
Okay. Okay. Anybody else who wants to share their screen?
Can I share, ma'am?
Please go ahead. योगेश सर?
Yes, ma'am.
योगेश सर, आपका सबमिशन नहीं आया है, आपने एक मैसेज भी लिखा है।
Yes, ma'am.
But the call is just not to create an assignment and upload. It is also about presenting it to the whole team.
Yes, ma'am. I will do it as soon as possible. Sorry.
Today?
No,
the creation of an assessment plan should not have taken you more than, it's just a 1-page document. While seated here itself enough, you could have finished it. And this is like a month ago I told you to do. Anyways,
yes, ma'am. But at the last session, I was not able to hear anything. So.
Anyways, your choice. Please revert. Upload.
Ma'am,
Do
I will do it as soon as possible. Ma'am.
Okay, Nimesh sir, please go ahead.
Yes.
Harmia sir, are you going to be sharing your screen today? Okay.
Hello.
Madhvi ma'am, आप share करो निमेश sir. I'm just talking to them.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Are you sharing from the phone?
Yes, ma'am.
It takes about a minute to come. Madhvi ma'am, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
आप share करेंगे इसके बाद screen अपना?
Ma'am, I have not yet prepared. Sorry.
Okay.
Need some time.
Go ahead, wait. Take feedback from the, how will you get the feedback from everybody else? Anyways, your choice, your call. अंशु सर आपने प्रेजेंट कर दी है ना? अंशु सर नहीं, अच्छा नहीं करना, अभी नहीं करना।
मैम कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन?
सर नहीं आया स्क्रीन पे तो अभी तक फिलहाल कुछ। गौरव सर आप तो शायद प्रिंसिपल है, राइट? ओके। निमेश सर, आई थिंक, निमेश सर, डू यू वांट मी टू शेयर द स्क्रीन?
आई एम ट्राइंग मैम. Can you see now, ma'am?
No, we cannot, sir. What I will suggest is, have you submitted it on the LMS?
No, ma'am. Right now, I did not do.
If you can submit it now, I will share the screen and then you can discuss.
But I am doing with my laptop, with my mobile, ma'am.
Okay, so you won't be able to share the screen in that case.
Wait a minute, ma'am.